What is up, guys? I am Ryan, your tech guy with the Click Experts, and we specialize in internet marketing, software development, and on-site technical support with your networks. Guys, welcome back. We're just going to take a look at the ComShine KFL 10. This is a VFL or visual fault locator. Just helps you trace down where things are connected. Good tool. I use this one in the field a lot. You can actually get this on Amazon. We'll leave you a good link in the description to get to that. But yeah, this basically is kind of like just a visual locator, kind of like its name, and you're able to shine a laser through your cable and kind of just be able to take a look on the other end where that laser might be coming out of to identify a port on a patch panel, or you could just use it for a visual reference to see if any kind of light's escaping. So with this tool, it's got a little dust cover, real simple to use, takes AAA batteries. And I'll show you how to hook up just a simple cable. And just keep in mind, with this particular setup, this is only good for SC and for also ST connectors. The LC is actually, the ferrule's too small to go in there. So yeah, SC, the bigger square types, will plug right into this. We'll just remove a dust cap and just want to be gentle in inserting this because it can break. Pretty simple to hold this right button. That'll power the device on. And as we can see, it's blinking. So we basically know that we're hooked up to this strand. If we wanted to go constant, the button on the left will actually do that. Now we're constant. A great tool to have in the field, guys. Definitely check this one out on Amazon. If you enjoyed this product and you want to maybe purchase it for yourself, go ahead and hit the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content or you learned something, please give us a like, a comment, and subscribe. Again, this is Ryan with the Click Experts, your tech guy, signing off.
Thanks for watching. Also, thank you to all those who subscribe and donate. You make it possible for us to